Good morning, dear graduates, faculty, and guests. First of all, congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. For reaching this important milestone, completing senior high school is no small feat. And as you stand on the threshold of new beginnings, you are faced with one of the most important decisions in your life. What path will you take next? Today, I want you to present a path that is noble, impactful, and deeply fulfilling. The path of becoming a teacher. You see, every engineer, doctor, artist, entrepreneur, even the president had a teacher. Teaching is the profession that teaches all other professionals. And while it may not always be glorified in movies or media, the impact a teacher makes in the life of a student echoes through generations. Why you should choose teaching. Teaching isn't just a profession, it's a mission. A mission to uplift, to educate, and to transform lives. And today, I want you to show why becoming a teacher is not just honorable but also practical, rewarding, and full of opportunity. First is the teaching profession is a noble and vital career, focused on educating, guiding, and shaping the minds of learners. Second is teachers play a central role in the intellectual, emotional, and moral development of students. Third is it is a profession that requires deep knowledge, communication skills, patience, and a passion for lifelong learning. Fourth is teachers serves as role models, mentors, and leaders in the classroom and the community. Fifth is the profession involves planning lessons, delivering instructions, assessing student progress, and providing support. Sixth is teaching is both a science and an art. It involves strategies, pedagogy, creativity, and empathy. Seven is licensed teacher must meet professional standards and often participate in continuous training and development. 8. The professions offers job stability, competitive benefits, and opportunities for career advancement. 9. Teachers contribute directly to nation building by preparing future citizens, leaders, and professionals. 10. Above all, teaching is a vocation that transforms lives not only of students but of teachers themselves. Let me tell you what's in store if you choose teacher education. Teacher shapes the future. You will not just teach maths or science, you will shape lives, you will inspire confidence in students who doubt themselves. You will unlock talents and potential in children who don't even know what they are capable of yet. Imagine the fulfillment of seeing a former student succeed in life knowing you helped them get there. Second, teaching is a vocation of the heart. Teaching isn't just a job, it's a calling. It gives you a sense of purpose. Every day you walk into a classroom not just to teach lessons but to touch hearts and open minds. You become a second parent, a mentor, a guide. Third is a stable and respected profession. Let's be honest, stability is important. As a teacher, you enjoy job security in both the public and private sectors. In fact, teaching is one of the most in-demand professions in the Philippines, especially with the K-12 program in full swing. Fourth is competitive salaries and regular increases. Public school teachers in the Philippines enjoy a starting salary of over 27,000 per month, salary grade 11, and that's not including allowances and bonuses. Annual salary increases as mandated by the salary standardization law, mid-year and year-end bonuses, performance-based bonuses, PBB, clothing, chalk, and cash allowances for teaching needs. Fifth, scholarship and support while you study. Many teacher education institutions offer scholarship and grants to education majors. The Department of Education, DepEd Commission on Higher Education or CHED, and private foundations provide. First is student financial assistance like Unifast, Tulong, Dunong, priority slot in training and development programs, opportunities to participate in exchange programs or further studies abroad. 6. Professional growth and advancement. A career in teaching doesn't mean being stuck in one place with continued learning and dedication. You can become a master teacher, a principal or school head, a superintendent, curriculum specialist, or even DepEd director. And the opportunities aren't limited to the Philippines. Filipino teachers are in demand abroad too, particularly in countries like the US, Canada, Japan, and the Middle East. 7. Opportunities for lifelong learning. As a teacher, you are a lifelong learner. You'll always have access to free training and seminars, graduate studies, scholarships, opportunities to conduct research, write educational materials, and contribute to policy development. 8. You become a nation builder. Teacher is a profession that contributes directly to nation building. You mold responsible citizens. You plant seeds of critical thinking, compassion, and courage. That nation's building at its finest. 9. Work-life balance and long vacations. Teachers typically enjoy weekends of summer and Christmas breaks. Reasonable working hours allowing for personal time, hobbies, or family life. It is one of the most profession where you can grow your career without sacrificing your personal life. 10. A profession of honor and love. Ask any passionate teacher and they will tell you the joy of seeing a student finally get it, the gratitude of parents, the smile, the little notes, the thank you. They are priceless. They are the daily rewards that no amount of money can buy. So I leave you with this question. Do you want to make a difference in the world? Do you want to be remembered not just for what you did but for what you help others become? If you answer is yes, then I invite you to consider enrolling in a teacher education program. Be a teacher, be a hero, be the difference. Thank you and may your next chapter be filled with purpose and passion.